There's one experience I would love to share with you about promoting your YouTube videos on your channel. So some time ago, I did this promotion and all of a sudden, YouTube started promoting my videos and my views started to depreciate from how it used to be to this way at the moment. So at the moment, my channel is really suffering to get the views I used to get when I started the channel. So I would love that you take this advice seriously and you stay away from such ads. So there are so many ways to promote your YouTube videos. Some of the ways are through Google ads, YouTube ads, and through these private apps that claims to promote your videos when you pay in the app. I clearly understand that there are some situations in content creating that calls for this kind of actions. So I'll be very, very happy if you should take this advice from me as a small YouTuber, because I know it is going to help your channel on the long run. If you're a new member to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends as well. Now on here, the only thing I do is help you to grow your social media accounts, precisely your YouTube channel. So the third way of promoting your YouTube video, which is the private app, is very toxic to your channel. And this is why I'm saying this. There was a time that I wanted to run a promotion for my channel, and looking at the price ranges of the Google and then YouTube ads comparing to the third private app, the private app was a bit okay. So I decided to run the ads or run the promotion in the private app. Now my channel was doing so well until I started this promotion, and this happened to my channel. This is very terrible. As soon as I started the promotion, YouTube started promoting my videos naturally using the algorithm. So my views started declining from how it used to be to where it is now. So at the moment, my channel is really, really sucking and the views are not coming. And this is actually the reason why YouTube stopped promoting my videos. Kindly continue watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share this video to your friends so they can also benefit from this advice. So for those who don't know what the private promotion apps are, you can go to Google Play Store or your App Store. You search this and you'll be seeing some of them. So when it comes to this type of promotion, there are only two things involved. It's either you get audience that are coming from India or you get audience which are both. Now, getting audience which are coming from India is not really the problem, but getting audience that are both or that are in the form of both is really a problem. Now, Indians are noted for low RPM and then CPMs. For that, you can manage, but when it comes to the both, it's strictly against the YouTube policy. Moreover, YouTube has designed a system to take down both views and both subscribers anytime they identify one in your channel. So anytime you carry out such promotions and your channel is supplied with both views or subscribers, after some time, YouTube is going to take all those subscribers down or views you've gotten on your channel. What I mean is that after some time, those subscribers that are in the form of both will be subtracted from your channel. So to avoid this situation, make sure that the only ways you promote your YouTube channel is through Google ads or through YouTube ads. So not to forget, when it comes to this private promotion apps, there are also websites that are built like the apps to promote your YouTube channel. Make sure you stay away from those websites and the app as well. So if you don't have the money to finance the right promotion of your YouTube channel, just stay totally away from all those cheap offers on the internet. Do it the natural way, where YouTube will be pushing your videos gradually. Keep posting videos, and at the right time, your channel will do well. So if this video was helpful, subscribe and turn on post notification. Share to your friends so they can also utilize this advice when promoting their YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you up in my next section.